I'm in the photography program, and it started out kind of as a hobby, something that I enjoyed doing, and it grew into something more where I was able to realize that this was an outlet for me to show my passion to the world and show other people what I had inside.
We have a wide variety of students who come to the photography program at Washtenaw Community College. Part of what I try to achieve as an instructor is helping each student find their own voice, help them find their own style, help them find the aspects of photography that interest them.
For many people, the reason why they're in visual arts to begin with is because they have something to say.
It's really about teaching a student to find their unique vision.
The instructors work with us to bring out the absolute most in our talents.
They make it exciting to be in class. They bring a world of knowledge and experience to the classroom, which I think, is bar none, it beats any other school in the state of Michigan.
For me, it's important as a teacher to be practicing what I teach. I take a lot of effort and time to produce my own photographs, to exhibit my work, so that I'm actually working as a photographer and bringing that experience to the classroom.
To be effective with a student, you really do have to be that passionate about your own work as well.
You never stop growing as an image maker. It's something that you will always find yourself thinking about and doing something about to make yourself better.
It was really exciting to have the opportunity to go to Japan to study photography and different ways of viewing things culturally. And it was just an amazing experience.
Going to a culture that's very different from our own allows us to not only think about what's different in those cultures, but think about our own culture. And it helps, as a photographer, it helps me develop awareness about my environment, helps me develop more awareness about the world.
We have a very large studio space and all of the equipment to support that. So that means the cameras, that means hot lights or strobe lights or whatever it is that needs to happen for that classroom environment. It's there. I've never seen a school that has that kind of facility.
The classrooms are loaded with state-of-the-art technology, the computers and the printers.
We have view cameras for students to use in our large format photography classes, medium format cameras for students to use in advanced classes, and digital cameras for students to check out for use in other classes.
We have exhibit spaces. We actually have 2, if not even 3, really beautiful exhibit spaces on campus.
Fortunately, we have one of the best film labs around.
A new state-of-the-art darkroom, which is still in use when other colleges have been closing their darkrooms. So we have 20 workstations with brand new variable contrast enlargers, and the darkroom remains an active part of the photography program at Washtenaw Community College.
I've looked into other schools in the area and programs with photography, and it really came down to just this school. There wasn't even a competition.
This program has truly caused a change in my life. I'm doing things today that I never did heretofore.
Every day I get an opportunity to have a discussion with a student about the unique way in which he or she sees a subject.
To some people, photography is just a capture, it's just a snapshot, it's just a documentation of a single moment in time. But I feel that it's to show more than that. It's to draw out the emotions and to cause people to stop and look at something and take a second and ask questions and to wonder where this came from and to wonder who the artist is and what's behind it, what are they trying to say to you.